Today, we will tour 10987 West Melvin Street in Avondale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Avondale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home located in a newer gated community in Avondale. With convenient access to Loop 101, I-10 and Loop 202, commuting and everyday travel are simple and convenient. Designed with a desirable split floor plan, this home offers an excellent balance of comfort, functionality, and privacy. The bright, open layout creates an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for everyday living as well as entertaining family and friends. The modern kitchen is a true highlight, featuring crisp white cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample space for meal preparation and gatherings. Outside, the professionally designed front and backyards feature synthetic grass and a charming patio, creating an inviting outdoor space that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining while requiring minimal upkeep. Residents of this gated community also enjoy access to outstanding amenities, including a sparkling community pool and a playground, offering convenient opportunities for recreation and outdoor enjoyment. With its thoughtful layout, modern finishes, low-maintenance landscaping, and excellent community amenities, this exceptional Avondale home has so much to offer. So, if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Wood-look tile flooring extends throughout the main living areas and bathrooms, providing an attractive look while offering lasting durability and easy maintenance. And to wrap up the tour, here is the spacious primary suite. It features double vanities and a tub shower combination. Schedule a tour today.